So what is up mga ka-tech shop, no? For today's video mga ka-tech shop, I have here charging port issue for Vivo Y11. So I'm gonna show you how to replace a charging port for this particular model Vivo Y11. So let's do testing first mga ka-tech shop, and as you can see, the port that goes to the motherboard of the phone is only returning 0 volts. So clearly mga tech shop, there's something wrong with the charging board. So it could be the charging port. So I have here a new charging port, and this is how the charging board looks like. And if you use a digital microscope, you'll see how it looks like. So we can do cleaning first. This is gonna be our first troubleshooting. So after cleaning my tech shop, and I tested it again on the multi-tester, still it returns 0 volts. So let's go ahead and remove this charging port. So basically my tech shop, apply 350 degrees heat for like 1 minute and 40 seconds, and then you'll be able to remove the charging port. Okay, clean it with alcohol and Q-tips, and then put the charging port and solder the 4 legs of the charging port. Alright, so you'll need to have the right tools to be able to solder this properly. And then now we're going to solder the pins. Make sure they don't connect with each other, and this time I'm using liquid solder. It's gonna be easier to solder if you're using a liquid solder. And make sure those 5 pins don't connect to each other. Alright, and then you can also solder the back, just to make sure that it's gonna hold the charging port properly. Once done, you can clean it again with Q-tips and alcohol, and then finally apply a solder mask on the pins to protect the pins. And then using UV light for 10 seconds is gonna solidify the solder mask. And as you can see mga tech shop, it is now releasing 5 volts. If you're interested in this kind of video mga tech shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go!